Today's featured SUV is a 1986 Dodge Ramcharger 4x4. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $16,000, which seemed like a good deal. Got quite a bit of vehicle for the money. Had quite a few things done to it, set up for off-road use, maybe rock crawling and that type of thing. But seemed to be in really nice shape. Had a rust-free body, being from California, and was sitting up pretty high. Had a nice stance to it, and somebody got a good deal, I think. As far as the Ramcharger goes, this one was part of the second generation, which went from 1981 through 1993. And this being a 1986, that was the last year that they had the egg crate style grill on it. In 87, they went to the different style grill with the crosshairs. And this one also being a non-removable top on the second generation. The first generations, which started in 1974 and went through 1980, those originally came with no top on them, or the dealer would install a canvas top on it. But these all came with a solid top, non-removable. So, but they were nice vehicles for off-road use and for driving around town, similar to the Chevy Blazer, full-size Blazer, and the full-size Ford Bronco. But I wasn't able to find any sales numbers for the 1986 model year. Apparently those vanished somehow for quite a few years. There weren't any numbers available. But anyway, it was a nice vehicle, and I think somebody got a great buy on it. And that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1986 Dodge Ramcharger, which sold for $16,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.